Now let's find out the sharing formula for these children or these students. 3 students share 900 naira. A gets 100 naira more than B. C gets 100 naira more than A. How much does B get? Now we are looking for B, and we can start the journey for B from the first condition here. Alright, so first let's say that let B be equal to X. So we do not know what B is, but let's just assume wherever you see an alphabet, alright, it represents an unknown, something we do not know in mathematics, that is in algebra. Alright, so now let's B be X. So we'll go back to the first condition. Condition number 1. A gets 100 more than B. So that means that A equal to B plus 100. So which means that whatever A has is 100 naira more than what B is having. So, and we also have the second condition to be that C gets 100 naira more than A. Don't forget that A already has 100 naira more than B. Alright, so that means that C is now going to have 100 naira plus another 100 naira. So that means we have X plus 100, 100 plus 100. So that means C is getting X plus 200. Now, but we need to also remember that we have it that 3 students share 900 naira. The 900 naira means that the whole money that they all have all together. So that means that we need to add back everything to give us 900 as a result. So that gives us that B, or let's start with B, that's X, which is this. Now we add A, that is going to be X plus 100, and we add C, that is going to be X plus 200, and all that will give us 900. Alright, in naira. So how many X's are we having? 1, 2, 3. We're having 3 X's. 1, 1X, 1X plus 1X. That's 3 number of X's. That put it down there. So how many of the hundreds we have? We have 100 plus 200, that is going to give us 300, equal to 900. So what do we have here? Something is actually disturbing X from being alone. And those are two conditions. 3 is disturbing X from being alone. 300 is also disturbing X from being alone. All we need to have on this other side, on the left side, is just X. So we are looking for X. How do we find X? We subtract from both sides. Alright, we subtract 300 naira from this side, and that will give us just 3x. Alright, and this will give us 600. So now we have 3x is now equal to 600. So if 3 bananas cost 600 naira, how much is 1 banana? That simply means all you need to do is divide both sides by 3. So if you divide both sides by 3, that's going to give you 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Then your X equal to 200 naira. Don't forget that we are looking for B. And we already declared that B is X. So and X is now 200 naira. So you can now come back as a final note, now say that B is equal to 200 naira. And that's all. And I'm going to see you again in my next video. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ni Ọlájídé from PediaTutors.